Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating the axis entities so you can remove them without collateral edits. First, save a copy of your DWG. Next, hide non-essential layers and freeze them to avoid accidental changes. Use the Quick Select or Filter command to target lines with X or Y endpoints at 0 or that follow a naming convention. Once selected, use Match Prop to confirm they are axis lines. This ensures you remove only intended objects and maintain model integrity as you proceed. Now you perform the precise deletion. Use Filter to build a selection set. Specify start or end X equals 0 or Y equals 0, layer name, and approximate length to exclude unrelated parts. If axes are inside blocks, use Batman or Blockadit to edit or explode carefully after making a backup. Once the selection set is correct, use Erase and inspect the model for leftover short segments. Make sure to run Purge and Overkill to tidy duplicates after deletion to keep the drawing clean. Finish by ensuring nothing else was affected. Run Purge to clear unused blocks or layers and Overkill to merge overlapping lines that might remain. Update annotation scales and viewports because removing axes can shift references. Make sure dimensions and texts still attach correctly. If you see missing geometry or broken references, don't panic, revert to the saved copy, re-isolate with stricter filter criteria, and repeat the targeted erase. This rollback approach prevents irreversible mistakes and keeps your model stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.